A Masters Home Solutions roof installation in Wyoming County, Pennsylvania is more than shingles, it's a system. In a Masters Home Solutions lifetime roofing system, every component works together for strength, durability, and peace of mind. Here's how it happens. First, everything comes off, right down to the roof deck. An experienced and trusted contractor should check for damage and make repairs. Then, layers of protection go on before your new shingles. A leak barrier helps seal the most vulnerable areas against wind-driven rain and ice. Roof deck protection helps keep your roof dry and strong. Starter strip shingles go on the eaves. A powerful Masters Home Solutions adhesive holds your shingles tight to reduce the risk of blowoff. All that protection is the foundation for the Masters Home Solutions lifetime shingles you choose. And you have a lot of choices of color and style. It's beautiful, but there's more to do. Special vents at the ridge and soffits help to reduce heat and moisture in your attic that can cause damage. Ridge cap shingles are the perfect finishing touch. They highlight and protect the ridge and hips of your Masters Home Solutions roof. Congratulations on your new Masters Home Solutions lifetime roofing system. It's all from Masters Home Solutions in Wyoming County, Pennsylvania, America's largest roofing installation company since 1957. We are in the roofing business protecting homes like yours. Call today for a free roofing quote.